This is how to cook bread. Step 1, get your banana. Open the oven. Put it in. Now what you want to do, get your bag of hot dog rolls. Put that in the oven as well with the banana. Close the oven. Put it on high for 580 degrees, and then we'll wait. Okay, it should be done. Oh, dang it. Maybe I should like put it in for a time limit. Okay, so let's see if it worked. Oh, it did. I don't know why it went right there, but okay. And here's the cool part. You still have your banana, and you still keep your hot dog rolls, your bag of hot dog rolls. You just have extra bread. Yep. I'm cool.